Good morning. Welcome back to Thursday Live. I know we are doing this after almost a month, right? But thank you so much for waiting. Thank you so much for your wishes throughout this time. Thank you so much for patiently giving me time to prepare for my exam. तो 4 हफ्ते हो गए, almost a month. So it's so nice to be back and so nice to talk to you after such a long time. Basically interact with you. I think that's the highlight for me in the week when I get to interact with you and talk to you and answer your questions, okay? So अगर आप पहली बार मेरे लाइफ पे आए, हाय रेखा जी, अगर आप पहली बार मेरे लाइफ पे आए हैं, then if you and you have a question, then जो आपके क्वेश्चंस है वो प्लीज बॉटम राइट में there is a question mark, उसमें डालिएगा. अदरवाइज कमेंट्स में ना बहुत जल्दी जल्दी ऊपर जाते हैं और मेरे से देखा नहीं जाता है. सो अगर आपका क्वेश्चन है तो उसको नीचे राइट में क्वेश्चन मार्क है, वहां पे अपना क्वेश्चन डालिएगा. एंड फ्रॉम माई एंड व्हाट्स द अपडेट. एग्जाम अच्छे गए, एक को छोड़ के. आई थिंक बाकी में हम पास हो जाएंगे. और क्या, और अभी प्रैक्टिकल्स चल रहे हैं. एक रह गया है 22 को, सो वो खत्म. देन सेमेस्टर 2 इज ओवर एंड देन द नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर कम्स. बट हाँ, ये चीज बहुत रियलाइज हो गई कि भाई पढ़ाई, ये चीज समझ में आ गई कि पढ़ाई इजी नहीं है. और बच्चों के लिए तो बिल्कुल, मतलब जब हम बोलते हैं ना बच्चों को पढ़ लो पढ़ने में क्या है, अगर आप अपनी 30s या 40s में ना पढ़ के देखे बहुत कुछ है. इट्स नॉट इजी. तो वो थोड़ा सा ना सिंपैथी याद आ गई, अपना टाइम पढ़ने का याद आ गया कि इट्स नॉट इजी. सो माई इंटरेक्शन विद माई सन चेंज्ड बिकॉज आई वॉज लाइक हाँ ही स्ट्रगलिंग. जैसे जो सब्जेक्ट्स मुझे बहुत पसंद थे, आई वुड वेरी इजिली रीड थ्रू इट. जो सब्जेक्ट्स मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं थे, जो मेरे को समझ ही नहीं आ रहे थे, आई वुड ट्राई टू अवॉइड इट. सो बॉटम लाइन इज कि बच्चे ही ऐसा नहीं करते, हम बड़े भी ऐसा करते हैं. इट्स अ ह्यूमन नेचर आई थिंक कि जो चीजें इजी है वो तो हम कर लेंगे, जो चीजें थोड़ी सी मुश्किल है, अरे यार जितना अवॉइड कर सकते हो उतना अवॉइड करना चाहिए, राइट? So that's an update from my end. One more thing. I know I have been off social media almost I think second week चल रहा है that I have not posted anything. कोई मैंने reels नहीं डाली, कोई content नहीं डाला. Reason being एक हफ्ता तो मैं छुट्टी पे थी. I wanted a break after my exams. It was too much. And उसके बाद now there is something happening in the house, and once that gets little settled, then I'll jump back in and I will start creating my content again. And I hope you're going to like it and give me the same love that you have always given me. I also know that I promised you I'm going to give the 10 days 10 minutes challenge on the Women's Day. I don't know how many of you are here who knows about it. I did put it up, but जिस सॉफ्टवेयर पे मैंने डाला था ना, वहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम आ गया था, so I was not able to make it live. So I have been working with them to solve that issue. And I hope in another 2-3 days it will get solved, and then I can make it live for all of you to access it. So as I said, the first 25 people who register will get it for free, and the rest of them have to pay the minimum price to access the 10 minutes 10 day challenge. Actually, connection is one thing which I feel we really need, not only with our children but with everybody, like our spouse, our parents, our friends, because humans thrive on connection. मतलब अगर हमें लगेगा ना कि कोई मुझे समझ रहा है, I think I'll do it better. मुझे ऐसा लगता है. Like even with my child, when we start having power struggles, when he's not listening to me, first thing I reflect is, am I spending enough time with him? Only a child will only listen to you अगर उसको लगेगा कि that you are listening to them, that you are respecting them, that you are valuing them. If you do that, they will listen to you. Okay, so let me get to the questions now, and I'll just take it one by one. Okay, another thing, I think some of you are very new here, so whenever you are putting your query या क्वेश्चन है, आप प्लीज उसमें ना एज ग्रुप डाल दीजिए अपने बच्चे का. क्योंकि अगर कोई मुझे ये बोल रहा है दैट माय चाइल्ड इज हिटिंग, हाउ कैन आई काउंसिल हिम? Depends what age. Is it like 2 years, 5 years, 7 years, 10 years? There's a different thing. If your child has just started hitting, which is around the age of 18, 15 to 18, you will start seeing that the child is hitting. You know, it's a very different thing than a child who is 6-year-old and who is hitting, a 5-year-old who is hitting. Okay, so in this thing I'm going to assume that your child is young. Okay, because you have mentioned that your child has just started hitting, so I am assuming that your child is young. See, hitting, first of all, as a parent, understand hitting is a very normal thing. Okay, hitting is almost every child hits, and every child throws a tantrum, so it's like सब करते हैं. Okay, कुछ लोग ज्यादा करते हैं, कुछ लोग कम करते हैं. कुछ बच्चे ज्यादा करते, कुछ बच्चे कम करते. कुछ बच्चे ज्यादा एग्रेसिव होते, कुछ बच्चे कम एग्रेसिव होते. कुछ बच्चे घर में देख के शुरू करते, कुछ बच्चे को लगता है कि मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा हाउ टू डील विद दिस पीपल अराउंड मी, सो इफ आई एम नॉट गेटिंग व्हाट आई वांट, देन मैं दूसरे को हिट करूंगा, देन आई विल गेट इट. मे बी दे आर लर्निंग इट फ्रॉम their friends, maybe they are learning it back home. Okay, so when someone tells me ki my child is hitting, my first question always is, do you hit your child? Have they ever seen you hitting? Like, अगर वो आपकी बात नहीं मान रहा है तो do you hit them? Okay, when we hit our young ones, when they are not listening to us, when they are not doing what we want, तो what am I telling my young one? You know what I'm telling them? कि अगर तुम वो नहीं करोगे जो मैं चाहती हूँ या चाहता हूँ, I am going to hit you. Okay? Now वही चीज प्लेग्राउंड में जाके क्या होता है, जब बच्चे को नहीं मिल रहा जो उसको चाहिए, तो वही रेप्लिकेट कर रहा है that you're not listening to me, you're not giving me what I want, so I am going to hit you. Okay? एक ये रीजन होता है. दूसरा रीजन ये भी होता है कि at this age they are exploring. Okay, they want what they want, because as I keep telling you, till the age of 5-6, kids are very egocentric मतलब the world revolves around them. If I want this, I want this. अगर मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे ये चाहिए. मतलब I don't understand your feeling about it. You know, slowly they develop, but they don't fully develop it till the age of 6. जो ये empathy होता है, this generally come by the age of 5-6 in kids. ओके, सो जब बच्चा प्लेग्राउंड में गया, ठीक है, उसको नहीं मिल रहा जो उसको जो चाहिए, द चाइल्ड माइट पुश द अदर चाइल्ड थिंकिंग कि अगर मैं इसको पुश करूंगा आई विल गेट इट. ओके, अ चाइल्ड माइट थिंक कि अगर मैं इसको हिट करूंगा देन आई मे गेट इट. अ चाइल्ड हिट्स आउट ऑफ फ्रस्ट्रेशन ऑल्सो. ओके, सो दीज आर वेरियस थिंग्स दैट हैपेंस in toddlers especially. So if a child is hitting, okay, first of all, as a mother, please tell yourself that there is nothing wrong in my child. Every child goes through this phase. Why do I keep saying this? is कि the moment मेरा child थोड़ा इधर उधर कुछ करता है ना, first thing मेरे दिमाग में आता है, यार यही कर रहा है और तो बच्चे नहीं कर रहे. किन किन को ऐसा लगता है? मैं हिटिंग की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं जनरली बोल रही हूँ. एज अ मदर, अगर मेरा बच्चा कुछ नहीं करता ना, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल सोशल गैदरिंग में गया और सबसे बात नहीं करा, और ही इज गोइंग टू द प्ले ग्राउंड एंड हिटिंग, और ही इज जस्ट बीइंग लिटिल रूड टू मी, और ही इज जस्ट नॉट ईटिंग. एज अ मदर हमें क्या लगता है, मेरा बच्चा ही ऐसा है, दूसरा बच्चा तो करता नहीं. किस किस को ऐसा लगता है एज अ मदर, बताइए. किस किस को ऐसा लगता है जब कुछ ऐसी चीज होती है जो आपका बच्चा करता है जो आपको लगता है दूसरे बच्चे नहीं करते, एंड यू गो थ्रू दैट फीलिंग कि यार ये मेरा बच्चे में कुछ गड़बड़ है, या फिर ये मेरा बच्चा ही करता है. यू नो व्हाई आई एम सेइंग दिस? आई एम सेइंग दिस बिकॉज एज अ मदर, फर्स्ट थिंग आई नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि इट इज अ नॉर्मल बिहेवियर. ओके, व्हेन आई कम इन टर्म्स विद इट कि दिस इज हाउ टॉडलर्स जनरली बिहेव, मेरा रिएक्शन टूवर्ड्स इट विल बी डिफरेंट. अदरवाइज द वे आई एम गोइंग टू रिएक्ट टू इट इज वेरी डिफेंसिव. यार ये मेरा बच्चे में गलती है. ओके, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू 2 sentences. So whoever said yes, okay, tell me if you see a difference in it. Okay, in my mind I keep telling myself, यार ये तो मेरे बच्चे में प्रॉब्लम है, यार ये तो मेरा बच्चा ही ऐसा करता है. Okay, does it feel empowering to you or disempowering? When I say empowering mean, does it make you feel good or does it shut your brain and you feel यार ये क्या हो गया, मतलब कैसे करूं? Okay, and my second statement to myself can be, okay, this is a phase my child is going through, how can I help my child? Okay, or I see this change in my child, okay, how can I help my child? When I say this to the second one to me, to myself, does it feel more empowering or disempowering? So tell me in these two statements, which one is more empowering and more helpful? One, कि मेरा बच्चा है ही ऐसा, पता नहीं इसमें क्या गड़बड़ है, या फिर मेरा बच्चा ऐसा ही करता है, दूसरे बच्चे तो ऐसे नहीं करते. And the second statement, you telling yourself कि my child is going through something, कुछ चल रहा है इसके दिमाग में, he is struggling with something, how can I help my child? Out of these two statements, which one do you think is more empowering for you as a mother? Which one will help your child better? Will make you feel better about yourself as a mother? Because only if you feel better about yourself as a mother, you can help your child better. You can never ever help someone else till the time you feel better. Second one, right? So as mothers, first start empowering yourself. Get out of that guilt का ditch कि यार ये मेरे बच्चे में ऐसा है. ओके, गेट आउट ऑफ दैट थिंग कि यार ये मैं ही कुछ गड़बड़ कर रही हूँ, मुझे ही नहीं हैंडल करना आ रहा है, किसी को नहीं हैंडल करना आता. लेट अस बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट अबाउट इट. मी सिटिंग हियर एज अ पेरेंटिंग एजुकेटर, आई टू स्ट्रगल ऑलमोस्ट एवरी वीक. Something or the other happens. I also go back to my notes. Sometimes I also forget things. I have put reminders here all around. You have no clue, because you have to practice something to be good at it, and sometimes we forget. So all of you who feel कि पता नहीं मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, शायद मुझे ही करना नहीं आ रहा, let me tell you, किसी को करना नहीं आता, because there is no parenting handbook given. Even if it is given, you know what is lacking? The community, the practice. You getting a reminder every day, us feeling good about it. Okay, so as a mother, whenever you feel कि यार ये मेरा बच्चा ही कर रहा है, दूसरे बच्चे तो नहीं कर रहे, या उसका बेस्ट फ्रेंड तो करता नहीं है, okay, tell yourself, okay, मेरा बच्चा ऐसा कर रहा है, there is something happening, let me figure out how can I help my child. Okay, this way you will be empowered as a mother. Instead of irritation and thinking इसको मैं ठीक कैसे करूं, you will go from a place of okay, how can I help my child? And ये अभी की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, when your child is 18 months old or 19 months old, ये throughout की बात कर रही हूँ, throughout. Okay, so coming back to the hitting वाला thing, what do you do? Till the age of 5, there is a rule in parenting, unsaid rule. It is our responsibility as a parent to manage the situation. Okay, so manage the environment. Suppose my child is sitting there, okay, and मैं मेरा बच्चा मेरे सामने ही खेल रहा है, and I see that he hits the child. By the time I go, मुझे दिखा कि they are fighting and I could not go and intervene, and मैंने देख लिया कि उसने जाके उसको एक लगा भी दी. What do I do after that? I pick my 15-16-year-old child, okay, like this. You have to pick up your child from there, okay. Get the child to a side and I say, beta, we do not use our hands. If your child can talk, good. If your child cannot talk, then you just say. They understand it. You tell them, we do not hit. Use your words. We use words. Okay. अगर बच्चा आपका 4 साल का, as I said, you should have put the age. I could have given you a better advice on this. But yeah, अगर आपका बच्चा 4 साल का है and your child is still hitting, कि उसको कुछ मिल नहीं रहा है, and they are aggressive and they want something and they are not getting it, and the child went and hit the other child, then also go to your child and say, use your words and then take your child away from them. Okay, sometimes I even suggest parents that you tell your child that I do not think you're ready right now to go and play in the playground, because this is like I am giving them a break. I'm telling them this is not acceptable. Okay, I'll give you an example. For example, when my child was young, he must be 3 years old, so he used to play with another child. वो घर आता था, बुलाने के टाइम पे तो जोरावर used to be like, हाँ मम्मा बुला लो, I want to play with him, I want to play with him, I want to play with him. ठीक है, मैंने बुला लिया. Now a 3-year-old, he is very possessive about his toys till date. Okay, so the child would come home, they would start playing. First 15-20 minutes they'll play very nicely. Suddenly I will see that they are fighting because Zorawar doesn't want to share anymore. He decides, now I don't want to share this. Okay, चलो जी, लड़ाई झगड़ा शुरू. अब for a 3-year-old, so they will fight. This is mine. I don't want to share. That child also wants the same thing. Then I have to intervene once, twice. Then उसके बाद मैंने एक बार उसको बोला, जब उसका फ्रेंड घर चले गया, सही सलामत प्ले डेट हो गई, सब हो गया. जैसी प्ले डेट खत्म हुई, मैंने उसको बोला, I said, Zorawar, I do not think you're ready for a play date right now, because if you call somebody home, you have to share your toys. No, next time I'll pakka share, mama, pakka. Like how children do. See, children don't know how to keep promises, huh? You're expecting too much from them. If from a 7-year-old se pehle se, if you expect them to keep their promises, they do not have that thing. जिसे बोलते ना वो, they need everything instant. Okay, so my child also said, ठीक है मम्मा पक्का, next time I'll share. I swear I'll share. मैंने कहा ठीक है fine. Next week again I called the child back. This time they paid for 30 minutes nicely, and after that the fight started happening. Okay, then I asked him when the child went home. I said, Bacha, see, you promised me that you will share the toys, but you are not sharing the toys. What is the problem? Because I see that every time, it's not that you doesn't want to share everything. There are certain set of toys that you do not want to share. So he said, Mama, because there are certain things I do not want to share with him, like this car and this and this and this. So I said, then why don't you keep those toys inside? He said, okay, fine, next time I'll do that. I said, yes, but now I'm going to give you a break for 1 week. Okay, take your time, and then if I think you're ready, I'll call the boy home. तो मैंने उसको कुछ डांटा नहीं, कुछ नहीं, but I gave him that space, that time, कि if you are not ready to share, this is not going to happen. Okay, and जब उसको दिखा ना कि अगले हफ्ते I didn't call the friend home, he asked me, please call him. I said, no, बच्चा, I don't think you're ready, and as we discussed, we need some space. Next time when he comes, we'll see how you behave, we'll see if you're able to share your toys or not, then उसके बाद we'll see how it goes further. So कभी कभी बच्चे को वो प्लेग्राउंड से बाहर निकाल के बिठाना is जरूरी with you. Okay, बिठाना not as in it's a punishment for you, बिठाना as in, beta, I don't think you're ready to do it right now. I am here. Okay, I am here with you, right by you, but I don't think you're ready to go and play with your friends right now. Okay, because you're not able to control. देखो, बच्चों का ना प्री फ्रंटल कोर्टेक्स जो मैं हर लाइफ में बोलती हूँ, हर जगह बोलती हूँ, डेवलप नहीं होता. ह्यूमंस का जाके होता है 21 mid-20s में होता है. सम रिसर्च सेज 21, सम रिसर्च सेज 28. सो आई जस्ट से टेक इट एज mid-20s. ओके, नाउ जब आपके बच्चे में इम्पल्स कंट्रोल है ही नहीं, तो कैसे अपने आप को कंट्रोल में बैठेगा कि यार मैं हिट ना करूं. अगर उसको कुछ नहीं मिल रहा, तो फर्स्ट थिंग दे विल डू इज दे विल गो एंड हिट. First thing they'll go and do is they'll go and push. That's a natural thing you will see in all the kids, all the young ones, because they don't know anything else to do. मुझे ये चाहिए, like for example, ये पड़ा है, यहाँ पड़ा है, उसको ये चाहिए, दूसरा बच्चे को ये चाहिए. Either they're going to scratch, snatch, and whoever is the toughest will get it, and the other one will cry. और ये ऐसे कर रहा है, एक ने उसको लगा दिया and then वो ले जाएगा. It depends upon your child's temperament also. Okay, but hitting a child, my first question always is, are you hitting your child? So they model whatever you do. Okay, like recently I had a client, and the client said that my 5-year-old went and said that तुम्हें एक अगर तुम ये साइकिल से नहीं उतरोगे तो मैं तुम्हें एक मारूंगा, नहीं एक तमाचा दूंगा, और something like that he said. So he repeated the same exact sentence जो उसकी मदर ने उसको बोला था. Okay, and the mother said, yes, I know I made a mistake, but how do I undo it now? Because she doesn't generally, she's a very, very, very calm person. She generally doesn't, hit easily. But ठीक है, कभी कभी you are so angry that you don't know what to do, and उसने शायद लगा दिया होगा. Okay, so I told the mother one thing. I said, देखो, अगर आपसे गलती हो गई है, it's okay. अगर आपके बच्चे ने वो गलती आपकी पकड़ ली है और वो कॉपी कर रहा है, अभी के लिए don't ओवर एम्फेसाइज ऑन इट. आप उसको जितना ज्यादा भाव दोगे, आपका बच्चा उतना ज्यादा उसको बोलेगा. ओके, सो जस्ट पोलाइटली टेल योर चाइल्ड अगेन एंड अगेन, वी डू नॉट टॉक लाइक दिस. अगर वो आपको ये बोलता है कि आप भी तो मेरे से ऐसे बात करते हो, यू कैन ऑलवेज से, हाँ मैंने गलती करी है, आई एम सॉरी अबाउट इट, बट वी डू नॉट टॉक लाइक दिस इन द हाउस. एक्सेप्ट योर मिस्टेक, इट्स ओके. बट उसको ज्यादा, अगर आप उसको भाव ज्यादा दोगे ना, इफ यू स्टार्ट फोकसिंग ऑन दैट लाइन अगेन एंड अगेन, देन द चाइल्ड इज गोइंग टू सी दैट अगेन. जैसे वो होता है ना, when the child comes home and says a bad word, and if we focus it on that too much, the child start using it too much. किसके साथ ऐसा होता है? Okay, like for example, there was a time when I remember this incident I can never forget. That I was in the kitchen packing Zoravar's lunch, and he comes and says, Mama, what's there for lunch? And I told him, beta, this is there, and he said, Mama, what the? And then he stopped, and my reaction was, okay, एंड आई एम लाइक शायद आगे बोलेगा नहीं बोलेगा क्या करेगा पता नहीं. ओके एंड आई वाज क्वाइट, आई डिडंट से एनीथिंग एंड आई सेड हाँ सो व्हाट मैंने कहा क्या होता है व्हाट द क्या होता है. ही सेड नो माय फ्रेंड सेड दैट व्हेन यू आर सरप्राइज यू से व्हाट द. मैंने कहा अच्छा. आई डिडंट आस्क हिम बेटे इसके आगे भी कुछ था कि इतना ही था. मैंने भाव ही नहीं दिया उस बात को. ओके एंड आई थिंक दैट वाज लाइक 3 months बैक एंड टुडे ही डजंट इवन रिमेंबर दैट फेज. वो एक था एक हफ्ते के लिए फॉर एवरीथिंग ही वाज सरप्राइज. ही वुड से व्हाट द देन दैट व्हाट द बिकम व्हाट द एंड नाउ इट इज गॉन. ओके yes, sometimes if your child is saying something which is like a total abusive word because he or she has picked it up from school or from whatever screen time that they have or तो आपकी family में लोग बोलते हैं, then please you can always tell them this is not the right word or do not talk like this, this is a very hurtful word. So I never tell my child this is a bad word because see no words are bad or good. I always tell him this is a hurtful word. Whatever you say is hurting the other person. You do not know the meaning of it because you're too young to understand the meaning of it, but this is a hurtful word and you are a kind person, beta. This is how I always address him. So I keep reminding my child all the time, you're a kind person, you do not say hurtful words, beta. Okay? कभी कभी अगर आप ज्यादा बोलोगे वो मस्ती में बोलेंगे आपको. There was someone who wrote here they can't hear me. Can't you guys hear me? Like I just saw one message there like that, so I'm just hoping it's only her. Okay, I'll take the second question now. Avneet, I hope you got my answer. Oh, he's 3.5. He's hitting. Okay, 3.5 as I told you. If he's hitting, he can understand. You can make boundaries around it. You can make rules around it. He's not like 18 months old who doesn't understand, who can't talk. Okay, so number one, try to understand why is he hitting. When he gets angry, is he hitting? When he's not getting what he wants, he's hitting. When he's in the playground, he's hitting. Is he hitting in the school as well? Okay, at that time, children, especially if they're boys, they hit because the other child is hitting. Number two, if he's 3.5 and he's going to school, you have to give them the जिसे कहते हैं ना vocabulary कि if someone hits you, what do you do? We assume we send our child unprepared to school saying कि दुनिया सिखा देगी, फिर दुनिया उसको वही सिखाएगी जो दुनिया चाहेगी, जैसे उसके peers होंगे वो वही सीखेगा. Okay, so if your child is going to preschool, school जाने से पहले have a conversation with your child. Okay, कि बेटा if someone hits you, step number one. Okay, like I'll tell you what I have said. You decide what you want to say to your child. I always tell him. I said, Ravat, if someone hits you, step number one, you step back and you say, stop it. I don't like it. Okay, and I make him say it in the loudest voice that he can. Okay, I said step number two, if he's still doing it to you, I said you find the teacher or any adult and you go to the teacher and you tell the teacher, ma'am, he's hitting me. Okay. And then he said, but if he still comes and hit me and if ma'am doesn't say anything to me, then I told him, this is how I believe in it. Then I told him, I said, if he still hits you and you're getting hurt, I said, then you can hit him, but then you have to come and tell me first. So my rule with my child is, if you're hitting someone, I should be the first one to know that you have hit someone in the school. I should not come to know through the teacher. Okay, so I have given him steps. He's been following this not only for hitting. He has also been following if he's been bullied. He also been following if someone makes fun of him. Like I told him, like now he's in almost 5.5 and people do make fun of each other. I always tell him, I said, if someone is saying some hurtful words to you, what do you do? He said, I just say stop it, I don't like it. And he said, if he again says it, then I walk away. I'm like, that's very good. Because there is no point standing with another 5-year-old or 6-year-old child and telling them you're wrong, because दोनों का brain तो develop हुआ नहीं है. ये उसको 10 चीजें और बोलेगा, वो 10 चीजें और सामने से बोलेगा. It's only going to get into an ugly fight. Okay, so if you're sending your child to school, please enable them with the vocabulary and step by step process as to क्या बोलना है जब होता है. Okay, I hope I answered your question now, Avneet. Okay, I'll take another one. First, yeah, please write your names. I ask him, tell me what happens. He says, कुछ नहीं, फिर chocolate चाहिए. and says, okay, I'll read the first question for everybody who's viewing. So Roshni says, my kid is getting irritated after getting up in the morning. He makes me irritated too. Irritation is subjective. Nobody can get you irritated. It's your own internal thing. I'll explain you why. Okay. So then she says, when I ask him, tell me what happened, he says कुछ नहीं, और फिर like chocolate चाहिए, or and says, now give it to me. Okay, basically your child is getting up irritated in the morning. Can you tell me how many hours does your child sleep? Do you know sleep is the most important thing that is required for not only child but for humans? Do you remember, Roshni, that when you are not slept well, how are you? How is that week going? When you need those 7, 8 hours of sleep, but you are working on 5, 6 hours of sleep, आप भी grumpy रहते हो. Okay? So step number 1, figure out how many hours of sleep your child is having. Most important. Step number 2, how are you waking up your child? This I keep enforcing this, especially with my clients. How you start your day really matters, even as a mother. Okay? Even as a mother. So I'm going to ask most of you here, do you get up along with your family or your child, or do you get up like half an hour, 1 hour pehle, and you take some time out for yourself and you relax a little and then go and wake your child up? And when I say time out for yourself, doesn't mean you start cooking and preparing food. I mean at least 15-20 minutes for yourself. How many of you get up early and take 15-20 minutes for yourself in the morning? I know it's difficult because we sleep late in the night and sometimes we have to be the first one to get up. But let me know, how many of you get up before your child and take at least 15-20 minutes before everybody gets up for yourself? Put a heart or raise your hand or just write yes. And I'll get a minute to have my coffee. So, while you answer, I'll tell you what I do. I used to initially get up with my child, or not with my child, like 15-20 minutes before my child. Not with my child. But वो 15-20 minutes कहाँ चले जाते थे मुझे पता ही नहीं चलता था. So what I started doing was, I started sleeping half an hour early in the night. वैसे भी वो half an hour में हम कुछ नहीं करते, हम यही कर रहे होते हैं. वो एक बार हम लग जाते हैं तो वो खत्म ही नहीं होता है. वो Instagram and वो YouTube and some Netflix, So I purposely do not watch that in the night. I sleep half an hour early and I get up 1 hour early before my child gets up. Okay? I do everything before my child gets up. Everything. Like I need my coffee. ये मेरा coffee का mug. I need my gratitude journal. I need my 30 minutes before my child gets up. Okay? And then I go and say, wake up my child. How you wake up your child is also important. कभी हम लोग पता क्या करते हैं, वी डिसाइड टू वेक अप आवर चाइल्ड एट द वेरी लास्ट मिनट. वो बोलता रहेगा मम्मा 5 minutes more, मम्मा 5 minutes more, और हम देते रहते हैं थिंकिंग कि चल सो जाएगा, थोड़ी देर और सो जाएगा. हम पता है क्या कर रहे हैं उसमें ना, हमें बोलता है यार 7 बजे बस आनी है, ऑलरेडी ओ माई गॉड 6:20, ओ माई गॉड 6:30 हो गई, उठ नहीं रहा है. सुबह दैट एंजाइटी स्टार्ट्स अप. Okay, it is always better to even wake your child up 10-15 minutes early. Because उससे आपकी एंजाइटी कम होगी, बच्चे की एंजाइटी कम होगी. So if my child has to get up at 6:30, I make sure I start waking him up at 6:20. So at 6:20 I go to him, I'll cuddle him, I'll kiss him, I'll tell him, beta get up, it's time to wake up, and I'll say few nice things to him, or some funny thing to him. He likes, more than nice things, he likes to be a little mischievous early in the morning itself. So I'll try to put that into him. This really matters, how they get up. Okay? If your child is irritated in the morning, your child full day will be irritated. Okay? Your child may not be getting enough sleep. Your child needs to wake up knowing that, I am loved. Your child needs to know that, ki today is going to be a good day. So have you, like how you have your night routines now? I know everybody talk about night routine, cuddle with your child, have a bedtime, read a book. Definitely all that is very important, even I say that, but have a morning routine as well with your child, and morning routine which is not rushed. I know some people say, but ma'am, it's so difficult. Yeah, there's so much work I have to do in the morning. आपके पास तो help होगी, मेरे पास तो help भी नहीं है. I have to make my food. So on the days that my help also doesn't come and I have to make food in the morning, I actually take that time little away from my personal time, or I adjust. But I do not give up on the morning routine I have with my child. मैं और कहीं पे वो adjust कर लेती हूँ, लेकिन मैं वो 10 minute that I take to wake up my son is very important. ओके नहीं तो उस टाइम में ना सुबह सुबह झगड़ा चू तू शुरू हो जाती है. उठ जाओ, इतना लेट हो गए, यू आर डेफिनेटली गोना बी लेट टू स्कूल, आई टोल्ड यू 5 times, गेट अप नाउ, इट्स 6th time I'm telling you, and then you're dragging your child out of it, and things like that. It's not helpful. So Roshni, try to see what is it, how many hours of sleep your child is needing or not. Some children need more sleep, some children need less sleep, but on an average, let me tell you, I don't know what age your child is, but even if your child is like 7, 8, 10, 11, please at least target at 8 to 10 hours of sleep for your child. Please. I know people say then, but ma'am, how will, रात को तो जल्दी सोया नहीं जाता है, we have हमारा dinner बहुत late होता है, we sleep, all of us sleep late. See, that's a choice you have to make. I always feel that's a choice you have to make. Sometimes you also have to do dinner early because you अभी तुम्हारे को मतलब भूख भी नहीं लगे, but it's time for your child to have food, so have it with them. And if you cannot have it with them, then just sit and eat something else, drink a coffee, drink tea, do something. Okay, so night routine के जैसे have a morning routine with your child as well. This will not only set your child for a good day ahead, it will also set your mood well. Okay, and by the way, if you have 2 or 3 kids, then please have little 5 minutes morning with all of them separately. Okay, just to fill their bucket with little love. Okay, some extra kisses, some extra hugs. Like one thing I do with my child is I'm just sharing a trick here. So one thing I do with my child some days in a week in the morning is ki when he's getting up and he's not getting up, like he's like very lazy, then I go and say, you know what, Zorawar, my love meter is very low. So what is a love meter is how loved am I feeling. So this I explained it to him pehle also. So he knows what love meter is. So he says, Acha, where is your love meter in your body right now? Kitne pe hai? So I tell him, I said, it's way down till my toes right now. I don't feel loved only right now. So then he gets up, he starts giving me kisses and all, and then he says, Acha, abhi kitna tak aaya? So I tell him it has come till the knees. And then he gives me hugs, then he says, ab kahan tak aaya? So I tell him I come to my, my stomach and then shoulders. And it's just a fun 5 minutes in the morning I spend with him, which excites him, which excites me, which brings joy and connection with my child. We do not need to spend a lot of time with our child every day. They don't need that. They don't need helicopter parenting from us. They don't need constant monitoring from us. They don't need us to be around there constantly. We only need this 5 minutes, 10 minutes here and there, but one-on-one time with them, which they cherish and they feel appreciated and more, जिसे कहते हैं ना, more connected to us. Okay. Okay. Okay, my child is my child has a feeling of being missing out, like if she is not going in the same activity as a friend, she wants to play now because friends are not forever. She says, what if after some years they are not there? It's a fact, but like, I'm gonna put this up. Okay, wait. See, this is a very, very important conversation. Let's have this. Okay, the fear of missing out, especially in this social media. the fear of not getting invited to a birthday party, the fear of he has this and she has this and I don't have it. Okay, at some age kids are going to go through this, and it is okay for them to go through this. This is how they will know what matters. Please, as a parent, do not go running for finding solutions for them. You're not making them resilient. I know it hurts. Your child is not called for a birthday party. It hurts. Of course it hurts. Okay, I'll give you a very simple example. Like, for example, my child came to know that he was not called for a birthday party. Okay, and his best friend was called, but he was not called. So he just said, Mama, it was his birthday and my XYZ friend was called and I was not called. Why didn't he call me? I said it's his choice, right? It's his birthday. He decides who does he want to call. He said, but why did he call him and not me? I said, that's the answer that he has to give. Beta, for me, all I can say is, जिसका बर्थडे है, they decide who they want to call. I know you're feeling sad and it is okay to feel sad. You know, I'm here for you if you want to talk about it. But अगर उसका birthday, they can decide who they want to call. I said, like, when it is your birthday, you decide who you want to call. Correct? And he's like, yeah. And I said, you also didn't call everybody on your birthday. I said, so let it. So if you do not call somebody on your birthday, maybe they don't want to call everybody on the birthday, and that's okay. And I said, going forward, some people will call you, some people may not call you. I did not call the mother and said, why you didn't call my son, you know, he was so devastated and all that. No, why? मेरा बच्चे को हमेशा प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए मैं नहीं होने वाली हूँ वहां पे. He has to go through the downs in the life. He has to go through the fact that things are not going to happen his way all the time. You know, he has to understand कि भाई साहब, मतलब it's not important that if he has it, I also have it. If अगर वो कहीं घूमने जा रहा है तो मैं भी घूमने जा रही हूँ. Now this is another thing that a lot of things happen, you know, like you will see your child coming back and say, but mama, you know, this they always go out for a holiday, or they are always out, we never go out, I always go to Nani house. Yes. Simple answer is yes, I know. If it is me, sometimes I don't even give explanation. I just acknowledge what he has said because that's a fact, right? I don't need justification for a fact. Do I need a justification for a fact? Just to make him feel good, I don't need to justify. What he is saying is correct. वो जिससे compare कर रहा है, yes, they go out on a lot of holidays. जिससे वो compare कर रहा है, yes, they go out of India for a lot of holidays. We don't. We generally go to Nani house or Dadi house. It's a fact. I do not justify that to him. I just say yes. And then he says, why can't we go? My answer is, beta, when we have the time, we'll go. That's it. When will that be? My answer is, I will let you know, but it is not this year for sure. But now if you want to sit with me and plan where all you want to travel in the world, you know, throughout your life, I can sit that and do that with you. So this way से मैंने इसको क्या करा ना, I got him excited to learn more about कि अच्छा कौन कौन सी places है, अगर तेरे को यहाँ जाना है तो क्यों जाना है, why it is nice. So instead of him comparing कि वो XYZ जा रहा है, Paris जा रहा है या Disneyland जा रहा है या यहाँ जा रहा है, I ask him why you want to go to that place. Do you even know where that place is? Okay. So kids are going to compare, please. Especially in the social media world. उसके पास ये ड्रेस है, मेरे पास ये ड्रेस नहीं है. And friends are never going to stay forever. You know, some will stay. Some people are very lucky to have friends जो childhood से लेके adulthood से लेके marriage के बाद तक उनके रहते हैं. सबके नहीं होते. And especially with this traveling job these days, so many people are just shifting jobs one after the other. You are changing schools. You are changing cities. Sometimes you are changing countries. So yes, some friends who are good friends, maybe if you put in an effort, they are going to stay your friends. But if you do not put in an effort, yes, then you may have to go and find new friends. Okay? So this fear of missing out सिर्फ बच्चों में नहीं होता है, adults में भी होता है. Let's be very honest. I always say, be honest. That's the best thing. आप में भी होता है. आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को देखते हो, बाहर जाते हो, यह करते हो, वो करते हो, and you're thinking, यार मैं कहा, मैं तो घर पे ही कार्य कर रही हूँ, मेरे बच्चों के बीच में रह गई हूँ, वो जॉब कर रही है, मैं तो घर पे ही हूँ, या फिर अगर आप जॉब कर रहे हो तो आपको लगता है यार मैं देखो घर पे कितना अच्छा टाइम स्पेंड कर रही है अपने बच्चों के साथ, वो देखो DIY भी कर रही है, मैं ऑफिस में हूँ. सो ये फियर ऑफ मिसिंग आउट तो आप किसी भी साइड पे होगे ना ग्रास के, वो रहेगा ही रहेगा. इट इज हाउ यू टीच योर सेल्फ टू बी ओके विद वेयर यू आर, दैट मैटर्स. And that is what you need to teach your child. Ki what you have right now, let's appreciate that. Let's be thankful for that. And yes, there is no harm planning what do I want. If I also want to travel, let's plan it. When it will happen, I do not know. But we can of course plan and dream about it and find more things about it and get excited about it. Nothing wrong in it. Right? Okay. Next is, okay, Roshni has given a lot of messages, but I am going to just skip that right now. From next time, please write all your messages together so that's easier for me to see. Yeah. And there are few of you have written to me, please answer my questions. I'll again repeat, if you have a question, then please write it at the bottom right question mark mein, and I will reply to it. Okay, if the time permits, I'll reply to it. ओके. ये एक बार तो ये क्वेश्चन आता ही आता है पूरे लाइव में, पता है कि मेरा 2 साल का बच्चा है एंड बहुत टैंट्रम्स है एंड बहुत गुस्सा में चिल्लाता है, कैसे हैंडल करूं. एज आई सेड इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द लाइव, चिल्ड्रन विल हैव टैंट्रम्स. Children are going to hit, children are going to scream because they are children. Correct? They are not adults. हमें ये लगता है एक बार वो अपने बेबी एज से निकल जाते हैं ना, मतलब हमारे हाथ से निकल जाते हैं और चलने लग जाते हैं. Our expectation suddenly changes with them. Okay? So first thing is they are going to be tantrums. There are going to be tantrums till the age of 7, 8 also. उसके बाद the tantrums are going to change. Okay? उसके बाद tantrums are not going to be the same tantrums that you're seeing right now, but the intensity will be less, emotions will be more. Okay, so ये इस टॉपिक पे पूरा मेरा एक कोर्स है about tantrum and meltdown and how you can handle your child's tantrum with ease. Okay, there are ways to handle a tantrum. First, to understand whether it's a tantrum or a meltdown. That's very important, which a lot of people do not know. Okay, if your child is going through a meltdown and you're handling it as a tantrum, it is not going to help you. Okay, अगर आपका बच्चा बहुत चिल्लाता है, वो चिल्ला इसलिए रहा है because the child is trying to test your patience. Okay, so when you say मेरे बच्चा बहुत tantrum कर रहा है और गुस्से में बहुत चिल्लाता है, कैसे हैंडल करो. One thing, चिल्लाता है तो you keep your calm. Let me tell you why. Okay, so we all have mirror neurons. Correct? If your child is shouting and you're also agitated and you're also shouting, it's like वो आग में आग दे दो तो वो आग और बढ़ जाएगी. Okay? If your child is shouting and you are keeping your calm, when I say keeping your calm means वो चिल्ला रहा है, आप irritate हो रहे हो, but आप चिल्ला नहीं रहे हो, you know, and you can just say, "Beta, I know you want it, but I'm sorry, it is not going to happen," or whatever the tantrum, that reason for the tantrum is. Okay, and you're just holding your ground and saying, "Okay, I'm sorry, but ये ऐसे तो नहीं होने वाला है." But you're not shouting. You're calm in your talking and in your presence. And if your child is 2-year-old, you can always hold your child and be calm. You know, even if they're shouting, when you're calm, within 5 max, sometimes 2 to 3 minutes में, max 5 minutes में, your child का shouting will slowly start coming down, because humans have mirror neurons. If they see the other person is calmer, they calm. Okay, if they see the other person is agitated, they get agitated. And as I was talking about it, let me tell you this also. Have you guys noticed that it's not only humans, but जैसे अगर कोई डॉग होता है, ठीक है, मैं इसलिए बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं डॉग से बहुत डरती हूँ. ठीक है, तो मम्मा ना हमेशा मुझे कहते थे, अगर तू भागेगी और तू डरेगी तो वो तेरे को और डराएगा. क्यों? Because they can sense it, right? So my mom always used to say, you stay calm, they will come, they'll sniff around and go from you. So I'm not saying that's how kids and our relationship is, but that's how we project ourselves. when we stay calm, your child will see that calmness and will start mirroring it. Will ultimately take your calmness and start coming down. When your child is having a tantrum, the mind doesn't work. Okay, and I've given a full explanation about this in my course as to what happens to the brain, why our brain doesn't work, what is happening in a child's mind. And honestly, when I was doing this research about how the brain works when a tantrum is happening, I realized it doesn't only apply to the child, it also applies to the adults as well. आप में से कितने लोग यहाँ पे जिन्हें गुस्सा बहुत आता है और उनको नहीं पता कि जब उनको गुस्सा आता है तो वो क्या क्या बोल देते हैं? Say I, or you can just raise your hand. Let me know. So आप में से अगर कोई यहाँ पे है जिसको गुस्सा बहुत आता है या कभी कभी आता है, लेकिन जब आता है गुस्सा, you have no clue आपने क्या बोला है, and then you regret it later कि यार ये क्या ही बोल दिया मैंने, या ये क्या कर दिया मैंने. Thank you संधू जी for being so honest. Okay, now ये सिर्फ बच्चों में नहीं होता है, बट ह्यूमंस में क्या होता है ना, when you are angry, your logical rational brain shuts. It's called flipping the lid. Okay, you have amygdala which says okay, it's fight or flight, let's run, this is not good for me. You get defensive. जब हमें गुस्सा आता है बेसिकली क्या होता है, हम डिफेंसिव हो जाते हैं क्योंकि हमारे हिसाब से चीजें नहीं हो रही है. जैसे मैं डिफेंसिव होती हूँ, माई लॉजिक गोज फॉर अ टॉस. यहाँ पे कुछ काम नहीं कर रहा होता मेरा. और आप सोचो ये 2 साल के बच्चे में तो ये into 100 टाइम्स है, क्योंकि हमें तो फिर भी थोड़ा इम्पल्स कंट्रोल है. बच्चे में तो 2 साल में तो 0% इम्पल्स कंट्रोल है. तुम चॉकलेट रख दो और बोल दो 2 साल के बच्चे को बेटे मत खा, कहां से? दिस इज टू मच एक्सपेक्टेशन. देयर इज नो इम्पल्स कंट्रोल. Same is with anger. When they are angry, when they want something and they are not getting it, that means they are like कि यार they get into that defensive mode of saying मुझे ये चाहिए, and the brain shuts off. और उस टाइम पे they start screaming and shouting and kicking and biting and everything because their brain is not working. And when their brain is not working, it is so easy for us to tag them and say मेरा बच्चा तो ऐसा ही है, इतना गुस्सा आता है ना, उसको पूछो मत. Okay, मेरा बच्चा तो करता ही ऐसे. So we start labeling them. Instead of labeling them, tell yourself इसका दिमाग नहीं चल रहा है अभी. My child needs me more. My child is struggling. I always tell mothers who consult with me, have your mantra. Have your mantra in the sense when you are going through a difficult time with your child, that your child is really irritating you, is really poking you, is having a tantrum. Have your mantra. What is your mantra? My mantra generally has been for last 3 years is कि I am the bigger one. I need to keep my calm. I know it better. And the third one I keep telling myself is I am doing my best. Let me figure it out. ये कैसे करना है? These are few things I keep telling myself when my son really irritates me to the core. Because I know उसका दिमाग तो चल नहीं रहा है. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि दिव्या तुम अपना दिमाग भी मत चलाओ. Okay, so when you are calmer and your child is shouting, it helps the child to become more calmer. आप में से कितने लोगों की मम्मी या ग्रैंड मदर्स या ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स से आपने कभी सुना होगा ये कि बेटा अगर एक को गुस्सा आता है तो दूसरे को शांत रहना चाहिए. जनरली ये एडवाइस दी जाती है, शादियों में दी जाती है ना, कि जब आपकी शादी हो रही होती है तो आपको एक जना तो आके पक्का ऐसे बोलता है, चाहे चाचा मामा बुआ कोई तो बोलेगा या ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स में से कोई बोलेगा, चल उसको थोड़ा गुस्सा आ जाया करता है, तू शांत रह लिया कर, है ना. जब घर में 2 लोग रहते, एक को गुस्सा आ जाता है, दूसरे को तो शांत रहना चाहिए. किसी को ऐसी एडवाइस मिली है आज तक? मुझे तो बहुत बार मिली है, बट यस बिल्कुल. बिकॉज दे नो, बिकॉज समवेयर people, our generations before us knew this, that when you are angry the brain doesn't work. तो जब मेरा हस्बैंड मेरे से लड़ रहा है, ओके, एंड मैं अपनी ईगो में आके उससे लड़ रही हूं, डज इट एवर रीच अ कॉन्सिक्वेंस? नेवर. वो लड़ रहा है, वो अपना भड़ास निकाल रहा है, मैं अपनी भड़ास निकाल रही हूँ कि नहीं तुमने ये करा, वो कह रहा है तुमने ये करा, उसका कोई आंसर निकलेगा? दोनों लड़ मड़ के वहां पे सारा गुस्सा निकाल देंगे अपना, बट कोई रिजल्ट नहीं निकलेगा. देयर इज नथिंग गुड कमिंग आउट ऑफ इट. एंड दीज आर टू अडल्ट्स. इमेजिन टू अडल्ट्स डूइंग दिस. नाउ इफ अ चाइल्ड, उसको गुस्सा चढ़ा हुआ है, वो टैंट्रम थ्रो कर रहा है क्योंकि एक इमोशनली वो डेवलप नहीं है. टू, उसके पास वो क्या कहते हैं उसे, कि उसके पास वो इम्पल्स कंट्रोल नहीं है. 3, उसका ब्रेन इज इमेच्योर. ठीक है, उसको अगर मैं ये बोलती हूँ, उस टाइम पे लॉजिक देती हूँ, उस टाइम पे समझा रही हूँ कि आपके लिए चॉकलेट अच्छी नहीं है बेटा, इट इज गोइंग टू गेट योर टीथ, टीथ खराब हो जाएगा बच्चा, ऐसे मत करो. उसका दिमाग चल ही नहीं रहा है, तो समझा क्या रहे हो? सो दिमाग को वापस नॉर्मल पोजीशन में लाने के लिए यू हैव टू कूल देम डाउन, एंड टू कूल देम डाउन you have to first cool yourself down and maintain that composure within you. Okay, so next time your child is irritating you, next time your child is throwing a tantrum, first prepare yourself before entering the room also, or even if it is happening right there, it's okay. Tell yourself it is not going to last forever, or tell whatever mantra you have. ओके, एंड मैं ये नहीं बोलती इट ऑलवेज वर्क्स. ऐसा नहीं है दैट आई हैव नेवर स्नैप्ड ऑन माय चाइल्ड. आई हैव यार, वी हैव आवर डेज. हमें अपने और भी काम करने होते हैं, उसके बीच में बच्चा आगे कुछ बोल देता है एंड आई गो लाइक यार मतलब अभी पूछना था तुम्हें करके, सो वी हैव आवर टाइम्स ऑल्सो. बट if that kind of a reaction comes like once in a while, or it's a 80-20 rule that 80% of the time you are able to handle it in a much better way, but 20% of the time you snap, that's okay. You're human. Give yourself a break. Go apologize to a child. Okay, you are not gods here जिसको कभी गुस्सा नहीं आएगा. Okay, let's be realistic. But you will only act better if you feel better. As a parent, let me tell you, you can only act better if you feel better. You will only behave better if you feel better as a human, as a mother, as a woman. You can only feel better and behave better. अगर आप खुद को अपने आप को बोलते रहोगे ना यार मैं तो कुछ कर ही नहीं रही हूँ, और you're feeling very helpless within, or you're feeling कि I'm not good enough, or you're feeling कि यार मैं काम नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, आप इरिटेटेड हो, मेरी इसकी वजह से मेरे को खाने को नहीं मिल रहा, मेरे को पीने को नहीं मिल रहा, because I'm always behind my child and all that. So you're anyways irritated. So when you come from that irritation, your reaction is going to be good or irritated or bad? Tell me. If you are irritated within, your reaction is going to be good, or can you support your child, or is it going to be bad and irritated and something that is only going to break your connection with your child? I don't think I need an answer for it, but yes, you got my point, what I'm trying to say. Yeah, so take care of yourself first. Take care of, be selfish. मैं तो बोलती हूँ be selfish. I am very selfish when it comes to my self care. If my dinner has to be 7 o'clock, if someone doesn't come on the table, I've told them 2-3 times come on the table, and if I am hungry, I eat. Period. I have to, because मेरे को भूख लगेगी, अगर मैं नहीं खाऊंगी मैं इरिटेट होंगी, मुझे पता है. मैं सुबह उठी हूँ, अगर मुझे वो आधा घंटा कॉफी के साथ नहीं मिला, मैं इरिटेट होंगी, मुझे पता है. So even with my child, I tell him, suppose on a holiday or on a day when I got up at 5:30 and somewhere he is also gotten up at 5:30 for some weird reason, he will come, he'll be sitting next to me, he'll be calling me mama, because उसकी नींद तो पूरी नहीं हुई, तो वो irritated है. But मुझे तो अपना आधा घंटा चाहिए भाई साहब, नहीं तो मेरा तो एनर्जी मेरे अंदर फ्यूल ही नहीं भरेगा. तो I tell him very nicely, you can sit with me, but mama needs 30 minutes by herself. I have to finish my coffee and then I'm going to come and then we'll play something or we'll do something. So पहली दूसरी टाइम तो थोड़ा उसको पसंद नहीं आया कि मम्मा ने ऐसे मना कर दिया मुझे, but third fourth उसके बाद से he was fine. He would get a book, sit next to me, or he'll just sit and lie next to me. But I need my 30 minutes. That is like non-negotiable. So you also need to have some time for yourself, which should be non-negotiable. Okay, there are no awards for always being there for somebody. Nobody is going to come and give you an award, especially for women who thinks कि पता नहीं मैं selflessly करूंगी ना तो मुझे end of the जब मरने वाली होंगी तो मुझे कोई award मिला जाएगा. किसी ने कुछ नहीं देना, मेरे को तो ये लगता है, और किसी ने दिया तो है नहीं आज तक, किसी ने देना भी नहीं है. So take care of yourself. Whatever gives you happiness, do that at least for 30 minutes. ठीक है. So I'm going to take one last one if there is one. Okay, ma'am, almost 2 years old, started hitting. Please guide me. I have already answered this question, Vishali. You can see the recorded live. I'll put the recorded live on Instagram also and on my YouTube also. So you can go and see that, Vishali. Yeah. For all those who have written the questions in the comments, I cannot go back and answer it. I'm sorry. I keep telling you, please write your questions on the question mark जहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, वहाँ से I can see it and I can reply to you. Okay. So with that, it's 12 o'clock and I hope you enjoyed the live. I enjoyed it. I think it was after 4 weeks I have come and I absolutely enjoyed it. मुझे बड़ा मजा आता है Thursday live करने में. It gives me a way of connection. I am finding a way where I can connect with you guys better. I'm trying to form a community by June, July or August where I can start workshops, have a community, because I feel यार एक कोर्स कर लेते फिर मैं भूल जाती हूँ यार, एक जिसे कहते हैं ना कि कुछ पढ़ लिया फिर मैं भूल जाती हूँ. I feel there has to be a community which keeps going. मतलब every week we are there for each other. Every week we are communicating the same things. It's the same reminder जो हमारे साथ चली जा रहा है. Every week हम है जैसे पहले बोलते थे ना, it takes a village to raise a kid, which is true. क्योंकि पहले क्या होता था ना, जब आप जॉइंट फैमिली में रहते थे, आपकी कोई दुख सुख की बात है या फिर अगर आप बच्चे के साथ स्ट्रगल कर रहे हो, आपकी ननंद कुछ बता देगी और योर सिस्टर इन लॉ योर मदर इन लॉ और समवन एल्स और एन आंट और बुआ, दे विल हेल्प यू आउट. यू कैन टॉक टू देम, यू नो, दे एटलीस्ट दे विल एनकरेज यू. आजकल क्या हो गया, बिकॉज वी आर सो अलोन, the only thing we rely on is either our friends who are sometimes there, sometimes not there, or social media ka advice or things like that. So my mission this year is to definitely form a community for mothers, and I hope I am able to do that, and when I do that I'll let you know. And having said that, मेरा another promise to you was 10 minutes 10 days connection challenge, जो I hopefully Sunday तक I'll make it live. Again I'm repeating, first 24 people will get it free. उसके बाद से it's chargeable. So when I put it on my stories, please go and grab that offer. बाद में नहीं बोलना कि अब मुझे आपने प्लीज बताया नहीं था, ये नहीं था, वो नहीं था. You have taken out time, spend this 1 hour with me. Thank you so much. इसलिए मैं आपको पहले ही बता रही हूँ कि when it goes live by Sunday, I think, go take that first free का offer. Otherwise it will go. Yeah. So thank you so much for spending Thursday morning with me, and I'll see you next Thursday at 11 o'clock.